Aloha! It's Slow Cooker Sunday, time to make mussel chili. Start off by adding a little oil in a pan, some garlic, and extra lean ground turkey. Get it nice and brown. And then we're going to add some high protein organic black beans, pinto beans, red kidney beans, add some chili powder, a can of diced tomatoes, red pepper flakes, cumin, and salt, some oregano, and put it all into a crock pot. Doesn't that look good already? Add all of your spices on top of the beans, your tomato sauce, stir it up. Love using my chopsticks, it doesn't crush the beans. Add a little bit of water, mix it up, cover, and it's ready in an hour. Then get all of your yummy fixings, put it in a bowl, some cheese, green onions, healthy avocado. I like Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. And time to eat. Aloha! Have a fit day! This recipe is great for busy families because the longer it cooks, the tastier it gets. It saves well and it's loaded with protein. Be sure and check out my new Fit Cooking book and my healthy Kiana bars. Aloha!